Dr. Barbara Steffens is the co-author of Your Sexually Addicted Spouse: How Partners Can Cope and Heal. She's focused on treating the trauma experienced by the partners and spouses of sex addicts.
Over the years, I've seen partners go from feeling very isolated, having difficulty even reaching out to ask for help because they felt so much shame. And what I hear in common is the partners say they experience horrible shock. They feel like they have stepped on a landmine they didn't know was there, and their life has exploded in front of them when they find out about their loved one's secret sexual behaviors. And now, as the message is getting out and as they feel more heard, they are understanding that they can't do this by themselves. They need to reach out for help. So I would encourage partners to talk to someone, join with other women, find a therapist that can help you, because you can't do this journey alone, but you can do the journey and grow and thrive. Safe Passages Counseling exists to serve partners of sex addicts, and we also provide support services for couples in recovery from a trauma model perspective. And how it's different than other places where partners may go is partners come here and they are heard and dealt with right where they are. We don't make assumptions about her. We don't label. We don't put her in a codependent box, but we respond to her pain and her hurt. When a partner first discovers that her husband's been involved in any kind of sexually addictive behavior, she's shocked. And her first response is to think, what have I not been doing that I need to do? So the first thing I want her to know is this is not about you. It's about his pain and how he's been acting out. So it's really important for her to get help right away with a professional that understands. Marcia Means and I wrote Your Sexually Addicted Spouse in 2009, and it has been a hallmark change for partners. When they read it, they hear their story and their voice in the book. It helps them understand what they're experiencing and gives them practical advice as to how to respond and to heal. About a year ago, a number of us professionals who work from a trauma perspective joined forces, and we founded an organization called the Association of Partners of Sex Addicts Trauma Specialists, or APSATS. That organization seeks to train and certify therapists and coaches to help partners from a trauma model perspective. The organization also is very, very strong in trying to help prevent further harm that sometimes partners experience when they go into treatment and their voice is not heard and their pain is not dealt with. So we're really trying to reduce what we're calling treatment-induced trauma for partners. At Safe Passages Counseling, I provide individual face-to-face counseling for people that are in the Cincinnati or Ohio area. I also do partners coaching, recovery coaching. So I do that by telephone, sometimes by FaceTime, Skype, but for people that are out of state. And coaching is more forward-looking rather than healing deep trauma. Then I also provide couples intensives with a colleague of mine that are trauma-based, really helping the couple recover. They can contact me through safepassagescounseling.com or call the office at 513-644-8023.